Hello everyone, my name is Naula Khan. I'm your Mext guide. Today I'm with a new video. You can see what the topic is going to be to motivate you for Mext scholarship. So what are the benefits of getting Mext scholarship? The first thing is that you don't have to pay the tuition fee, which is too much. In case of Japan, you have to pay more than 2.5 lakh or 200,000 yen, and more than that tuition fee is there for per semester. Similarly, you also get yearly airfare allowance as well to be provided if you wanted to move to your country, and you will get as well if you wanted to move from your country to back to Japan. And similarly, exam fee is also to be paid by the Max scholarship. And what amount of stipend you will get for master student? It is 144,000 yen, and in case of doctoral student it is 145,000 yen. So it is going to be provided. And similarly, transportation allowance in Japan will be covered. And further, for about how you will arrange your accommodation, if you get your dormitory in the university, you have to adjust it with this stipend. If you don't get the dormitory of university, then you have to purchase an apartment or to get it on rent outside, and then you have to pay it with your stipend. So these are the benefits. Plus the labs are good. You will get a very good professor, cooperative professor, who will help you to polish your skill and will help you to become a good researcher. So these are the benefits of Max scholarship. So best of luck. So I hope you will get this scholarship.